Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best iPhone charging cables you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many iPhone charging cables and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each iPhone charging cables so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an iPhone charging cable. First, always check for APFEN certification, which means the cable is approved by Apple and safe for your device. Next, pay attention to the build quality. Cables with braided nylon or reinforced connectors tend to last longer and resist fraying. Also, consider the cable length based on your needs. Shorter ones are great for travel, while longer ones offer more flexibility at home or work. Check the charging speed compatibility as well. Ensure it supports fast charging if your iPhone and charger adapter allow it. Lastly, read customer reviews and look for warranties that protect against defects. Choosing a trustworthy brand can save you money and frustration in the long run. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.